Her tone is so similar to like Ardilla's tone. Nice. Whoa. Mantap! Hai semua, apa kabar? Selamat pagi. Nama saya Nepi, saya penyanyi dan YouTuber aktor dari Filipina. Hari ini saya buat reaksi video untuk Reza lagi. Dia ada suara similar to Night Ardilla. And today you want me to react to her singing the song Suara Hatiku. Tetapi dulu aku dengar versi Night Ardilla ya. Ini asli versi. Dan nanti I will be listening to the version of Reza. Okay? So first off, let's find out how Night Ardilla sounded in this song called Suara. Suara Hatiku. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So you guys told me that she had an accident when she was 19 years old. Wow. I think I heard this song before. I reacted to somebody singing this song before. Ooh, damn. It's high. Suaranya tinggi. Oh my gosh. Suaranya tinggi banget, guys. Nice. Oh. It's amazing how she sounds so good at a young age. I'm stuttering. Yeah, she was just 19 years old. Probably in this song she was even younger. Yeah. Guitar moment, yes. This lead guitar moment is very good for a concert performance. She was like throwing rocks, or the dude, okay. Love that part. I love that part. Okay. So you guys told me that she was queen of slow rock back then, and it's so nice to see singers with, you know, an iconic voice. It sounds different. But let me tell you guys that I'm about to listen to a singer right now who has a similar tone, trending right now. It's viral. All her covers, live covers actually, of the songs of like Ardilla are like being watched by a lot of people, and it reached me. I mean, like, you guys want to react to it. So let me react to Reza right now with the same song, live singing, sitting down. We'll see how she's gonna, you know, slay this. Okay, sekarang kita dengar Reza ya, sama lagu Ardilla, Suara, Hatiku. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Same venue, sitting down. And she's young. She's 19 years old right now. Oh my gosh. Her tone is so similar to like Ardilla's tone. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ako merinding, guys. Sama. Tuh dia sama. Naik Ardilla, guys. Nice. Wow. Mantap! Oh my gosh! Even the top note, she sounds like Ardilla. Guys, I love this! It's so natural to her. It is her original tone. She was not even like trying to sound like Nike or Nike Ardilla. It's really her tone, and it so happened that it's similar to Nike Ardilla. I wonder if she has a band or she is performing somewhere. People should notice her. She has a very like golden voice, just like Nike Ardilla. Wow. This part. Nice. The small, like, you know, details in her voice, even, you know, they're similar to Nike Ardilla's style. Whoa.
Bukan lip sync-nya. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih juga. Luar biasa, guys. Oh my goodness. How this happened, I don't know. It's so difficult to think how in like, you know, a million chances would a girl like her, 19 years old, same age with Nike Ardilla when she passed away. I am mind blown right now. You know, every single detail in her voice is so similar to the voice of Nike Ardilla, and just the tone itself, it's so similar. If you will close your eyes and you didn't know that it's a different singer singing, you would think that it was Nike Ardilla singing, guys. It was amazing. Thank you so much for letting me watch this video. I was so impressed. If you got more videos of Reza that you want me to react to, or from other singers that you want me to make a reaction to, just comment them down below. You could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok. They're all at the description box right down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like my channel content, please don't forget to subscribe, because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much. Terima kasih banyak semua, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos.